Step 5. Firing a subscription event using the mutation ping. In the last step, I showed you how to register to the subscription on event added in order to receive messages associated with that subscription. In this step, I'm going to fire a mutation that is associated with the subscription, and what you're going to see is not only will the mutation return a response, but also the subscription will receive a message according to that mutation. So let's copy the mutation by clicking the icon on the left-hand side of the Katacoda instructional text. And now let's go over to GraphQL Playground, which is part of the IMBOB GraphQL API, but ships with any Apollo server GraphQL API installation. And notice that we're sitting here. Oh, let's reconnect here. Okay, we need to reconnect the subscription, and now you can see that we're listening down here. There's a little bit of a timeout. That's good. The subscription is listening for new messages. So now what I'll do is I'll go to a new tab, and I'll make sure that the authentication headers are carried over automatically, which they are. So this means I can access the API. And now I'm going to copy in the mutation. And the mutation ping is going to say, okay, go into IMBOB and write a simple message, which is, in this case, this is a simple message body. And the mutation will take care of that. But also what we'll see is that a message will be fired into on subscription added. So let's run the mutation. And there's the response from the mutation, which is what we want. And let's go back to the subscription. And you can see here that indeed a message was fired out of IMBOB, and the subscription on event added picked up that message.